Hi everyone, Rahul here from NovaraaAI. Today we are talking about a major shift that's happening quietly inside organizations, the future of delivery leadership in an AI-driven world. Delivery leadership is entering a new era, not because of new tools, but because of new intelligence. AI is changing how work is planned, executed, measured, and delivered. Traditional delivery depended on coordination, escalation, and people effort. AI-driven delivery depends on prediction, automation, and real-time insight. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how delivery leadership will evolve and the exact capabilities leaders need to stay relevant, valuable, and trusted. Before we start, if you want more practical, enterprise-grade AI explanations, make sure you like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what topic you want next. Let's get started. Delivery used to be about driving effort from teams. But AI changes the equation. We move from how many people to how intelligently can we operate. The leader's job becomes guiding intelligence, not just managing effort. Status meetings, manual trackers, follow-ups, all of this disappears when AI provides real-time progress signals. Delivery leaders spend less time collecting information and more time making decisions. The biggest transformation is prediction. AI detects delays, scope risks, resource gaps, and even customer concerns before they appear. Delivery becomes proactive instead of reactive. So what happens to delivery roles in this new world? Leaders who depend on manual coordination will slowly fade. But leaders who understand AI signals, orchestrate automation, and connect business outcomes to intelligent workflows will become the most valuable people in the room. Let's go deeper into the new skill set. The future leader does not guess. They make decisions supported by AI-powered insights, quality trends, effort predictions, customer sentiment, and delivery probabilities. A large part of delivery will be automated by AI agents. Not just tasks, entire workflows. The leader's job is to orchestrate these automations towards clear outcomes and measurable value. Delivery teams will become hybrids, human expertise plus AI assistance. Leaders must learn how to combine the strengths of both speed from AI, judgment from people. Now let's talk about the organizational shift. AI-driven delivery is not just a role change, it's a culture change. Companies that embrace AI-first delivery will operate faster, cleaner, and more predictively than traditional IT organizations. AI becomes an active participant in delivery, not a tool, but a collaborator. Reports will be generated automatically, accurate, real-time, and unbiased. The future leader does not solve problems. They prevent them with AI signals guiding every step. The leaders who understand AI, who work with intelligent systems, and who guide teams using real-time insights, those leaders will define the future of delivery. If you want to stay ahead in this AI-driven world, follow NovaraaAI.